CPT JJ-CPB Introduction 14 or page 14, part 12. Add-on codes continued.
All add-on codes found in the CPT codebook are exempt from the multiple procedure concept. See the modifier 5.1 definition in Appendix A.
All right. When there's a multiple procedure, means several procedures done at once, you have to add the modifier 51. And let's read what the modifier 51 is. Modifier 51 for multiple procedures.
Use modifier 51 to indicate that multiple procedures other than evaluation management were performed at the same session by the same provider. Use modifier 51 on the second and subsequent operating procedures when the procedures are ranked in RVU order.
Which is relative value unit order, right?
Yes.
That's for coding purposes. It means that the most expensive first.
Right.
Okay, modifier 51
may also be used when multiple procedures coded in the medicine chapter of CPT, medical procedures, are performed at the same session or when surgical and medical procedures are performed together.
All right. So in regular multiple procedures, you have to add a 51 for the code for the second procedure or for the third or for the fourth. But this doesn't apply in the add-on codes. The add-on codes don't have the 51 modifier because they are exempt. It means that you just write the add-on code without the 51. That's all it's saying. That's our theory for today. Now let's do a problem. So ready, set, go. Okay, this is CPT JJ-RVA, page 261, exercise 95, and this is a level 1 exercise, and the title is?
Title is hydrocelectomy.
Hydrocelectomy, right? It's a hydrocele and you take it out, right? And the text reads?
Text reads, surgical male genital system, hydrocelectomy of spermatic cord.
Of spermatic cord, okay? So that is the procedure, and now we're going to count to 3. So you can pause the video and give us the CPT code for this procedure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is 55500. Did you get that? If you got it, congratulations. If you didn't get it, let's give you a tip. Okay, the first tip.
First step is start with hydrocele excision.
You start with hydrocele and then excision, right? And then the second tip.
If they don't tell you if it's unilateral or bilateral, assume that it is unilateral.
Yeah, right, because the hydrocele involves the testes, right? And you know it's normal for all males to have two testes. So it could be on just one or on both of them. So it's unilateral or bilateral. If they don't tell you, you have to assume that it's unilateral, only one. Okay? If it's bilateral, they have to say bilateral. So the default is unilateral. Okay? Okay, number 3.
Number 3 is by the text. It is an independent or separate procedure.
Right. The text, we don't have a previous procedure or part of another procedure. So we have to take this as an independent or separate procedure. They just did the operation for this purpose, right?
Right.
That's an independent procedure. All right. With these tips, you should be able to get to the answer now. So the answer is 55500, but now we want you to find the path. So we are going to count to 3 so you can find the path, how we got to the answer, okay? So 1, 2, 3. All right, this is the summary of the whole problem. This is a surgery problem for the CPT code book. It's a male genital system. It's a hydrocelectomy of a spermatic cord. There's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
You start with hydrocele.
Hydrocele.
Then you go to excision.
Excision.
Then unilateral.
Unilateral.
Then you go to spermatic cord.
Spermatic cord, right?
Right.
But for the unilateral thing, this is almost like a level 0 because it's just one after the other, and it gives you the code. But we're not putting level 0 because of the unilateral thing. You have to know that if they don't tell you whether it's unilateral or bilateral, you have to assume it's unilateral, right? So we get one single code, which is 55500. Now we're going to check this code in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to tabular.
Then you go to 55500.
Right, and what is that?
Excision of hydrocele of spermatic cord, unilateral, separate procedure.
Separate procedures. And that parenthesis is a reaffirmation of what we told you in the tips. This is a separate procedure, right? So the equal sign means we have double-checked this code, so the answer is?
The answer is 55500.
The answer is 55500. Okay? So thanks for watching, and please visit our website, and also
you can subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Right, and just the subscribe button, right? So thanks a lot, and don't forget to visit our website and also to subscribe. And what will they get when they click on the subscribe button?
You will get 3 videos, up to 3 videos every day that we make. ICD-10, CPTs, all the editing that pass the medical coding certification exams.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye.